Are you looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle baking, broiling, air frying, and more? The NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven is here to elevate your cooking game. With its 30-quart XL capacity and 12-in-1 functionality, this smart oven is packed with features that make meal preparation a breeze. One standout feature is its integrated digital temperature probe, which ensures perfect cooking every time by automatically stopping the process when your food reaches the desired doneness. Plus, the linear thermal technology offers precise temperature control, adjustable in 5-degree increments, maintaining consistent heat for flawless results. It doesn't stop there. With 112 presets, including grilling, dehydrating, reheating, and defrosting, you'll have everything you need for all your cooking adventures. The shatterproof tempered glass door, heavy-duty racks, and non-stick baking pan highlight its high-quality construction, built to last. Before I dive further, this is an honest review. I earn only a few cents if you purchase through my link, but I only recommend products that truly deliver value and won't waste your hard-earned money. With a current 25% discount, the NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a deal you don't want to miss. Whether you're crafting the perfect pizza with adjustable top and bottom heaters or baking a family-sized dish, this appliance ensures precision and convenience. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check out the NuWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Oven today and enjoy the ease of cooking like a pro.